Hello, I will be talking about the company Garmin. For those of you who don't know what Garmin is, it's a massive company that really kind of focuses on like GPS, but they sell hunting, fishing, biking, fitness, all sorts of different products are made by Garmin. What happened? Garmin had an issue in one of their corporate offices in Taiwan. They kind of bullied or coerced a pregnant migrant worker to sign letters of resignation letters. This is an issue of sexual discrimination. They fired her because she notified them were pregnant and ran out of sick leave days. The lady didn't know her rights and wasn't told. This is illegal in Taiwan. Motives behind this, the thing that I can think of is they didn't want to pay her PTO. And they didn't want to pay her PTO, and they also didn't want to have to pay another worker to replace her while she wasn't able to work. I don't think these motives make it right by any means. The outcome, the lady was just gained awareness and she realized that she did have rights, and she went back and Garmin rehired her right away. However, I don't think this is quite enough. I think there should have been more of a punishment for Garmin for firing someone for this reasons. This also raised a lot of awareness to the unfair treatment of these migrant workers and how they don't know their rights when they're over there, and how a lot of them tend to be taken advantage of. Here's my reference, and that is Garmin's misbehavior.